Okay, hi guys! Magandang hapon, by the way. Magandang hapon sa lahat. And, yan. Wednesday. At dito tayo sa work natin. Dito sa ating office. So, hello everyone. Nasa field sila ngayon. And ako na naiwan nandito. I'm doing encoding. Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? Kumusta? Yan. Okay. So, for today, by the way, welcome sa inyong lahat. Kung first time nyong napanood ang video na to, ako po pala si Ray. Isa po akong Municipal Link Project Development Officer 2 ng Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program. So, ako po yung ML and na-assign po ako dito sa Southern Leyte. For today, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga requirements once ma-hire na kayo. Once pagkatapos ng pinagdaanan mo ng interviews and exam, tapos nakapasa ka sa bilang isang ML, bilang isang municipal link. Ang bagong Pilipinas hin. Okay. So, yan. I'm in front of my laptop. Yan. Ito yung office namin, guys. And I've been with the Pantawid program as a municipal link for 1 year and 6 months. 1 year and 6 months na po kami. Tapos, naging contractual kami after 1 year. So, yon, i-check ko yung mga requirements. Yan, at i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga requirements ko. Yan. Nung na-hire na ako bilang isang municipal link, pagkatapos ng final interview ko, I receive a call. Tapos nag-email din sila sa akin na pumasa ako sa bilang I was part of the pastors ng na-hire as a ML PDO2. And yan. Wait muna guys ha, wait muna. Yan. Contact person, be endorsement, result of application. Wait, inahanap ko dito sa email ko kung sana yung mga requirements ko dito. Yan. Yan, kasi nandito yan eh. Yan. Number 1 is medical certificate. Kasama yan yung blood test, urinalysis, chest x-ray, drug test, psychological test, tapos may kasama dito neuropsychiatric examination pero hindi na. Yung kailangan lang is yung psychological test lang. Binabayaran to ng mga 1,000 plus pesos itong psychological test. Once again, blood test, urinalysis, chest x-ray, drug test, tapos psychological test. So yun. Ano pa bang kailangan? Wait muna ha, check ko pa guys. Yan, ito na yon. Good day, March 8, 2023. Good day. This is to inform you that you are qualified applicant for the 286 Project Development Officer to city or municipal link positions on contract of service. Yan. Contract of service under the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program. Doon ako nag-umpisa hanggang naging contractual kami. Naging part kami ng contractualization. As part of a recruitment process, you are qualified to take the online initial qualifying test, IQT, scheduled on March 9, 2023. Ayan. Computer laptop. Yan, na-qualify pa ako dito guys. Naging qualify pa ako na mag IQ test daw ako. Yan. Pagkatapos, I was scheduled for virtual panel interview. Yan. This refers to your application for employment in DSWD Office 8 status of yan. You are scheduled for virtual panel interview on March 28. Yan, from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. using the Google Meet application. Yan. For those who have not submitted yet, mag-submit kasi ka ng mga PDS, personal data sheet, work experience sheet, scan copies ng mga TOR mo at diploma, tapos IPCR, performance rating mo from your previous company. Kapag wala ka pang IPCR, okay lang. Okay, so yun. And meron pa ba? Maghanap pa tayo dito ha. Yan. To schedule a panel interview. Wait muna. Yan. Kung wala na siguro, contact persons per provincial. Okay. So, naghahanap pa ako guys kung ano pang pwede kong makuha dito sa sa information na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo. Tapos gagawan ka ng ARTA ID guys once ma-hired ka na. Katulad nito, yan. Maliit na ID tapos itong sa quality policy. Yan. So, ano pa ba pwede kong dito ma-share sa inyo guys? Yun lang siguro. TIN number request for transfer. Kung meron ka ng TIN number to transfer mo, yun dito meron. So yun lang siguro guys. Just the basic. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, just mag-comment ka lang dito sa vlog ko, and I will answer it po. Thank you po and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.